Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to show what is in this General's How to Draw packet. I bought it today at Hobby Lobby. I have some other things, but this is mainly what I wanted to show in this video, just to see what we have and what it looks like. So it looks like it has like a little drawing book and then several pencils, eraser, a tortillon. So let's open it up and take a look. It says here the price was $9.99, but it was actually 40% off. So it came out to about like $5 or so. So let's take a look and see. I'm really mostly interested in seeing what the booklet looks like. But you could always use more pencils and those blending stuffs or tortillons. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we go. So here are the pencils. So here is the pencil sharpener, and then let's see what these two green ones are, if they're the same. No, one's a 4B and one is a 6B. So this is a graphite drawing pencil, and this one, I'm going to guess that it may also be graphite. Oh yeah, here we go, sorry. Graphite 4B and 6B. So those are commonly used, so that's good. Then here are a charcoal 2B medium and a 4B soft, which I think I have these in a different pack from General, so I'll probably save these until those get used up. And then this one is extra black, number 555. These are all made in the USA. And then this one is a carbon sketch, number 595. So those are those. And then there's two tortillons, which I have a huge one. So it's nice to have these also, these little small ones. These are used for blending in. So let's take a look at what the booklet has. Okay, so here's a pad of drawing paper. And there's this little pamphlet, How to Draw a Tree. Okay, so it has just some tips and how to use the materials. And let's see what else. Whoops, sorry about that, folks. Just want to open this up here and take a look. Okay, so it also has what other items they have with this brand General, and then the different pencils here, as well as some tips and tricks, how to do some shading, and here's some trees. So that's that one. And then here is the booklet, How to Draw with Graphite and Charcoal. And in the class that I'm taking, I showed some of the drawings that I'm doing in charcoal and graphite, and I have the big thick vine charcoal as well. So here again are some just tips and tricks. Okay, I guess how to draw a bunny, this bird, leaves, trees. Maybe how to combine them both together. Okay, so here's a bridge. Oh, I guess it's the Brooklyn Bridge. I used to live in Brooklyn, so I did walk over the Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Ah, there's a cat, so I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And then just some other structures. How how to create values, and we did learn that in class. Some composition techniques, that was learning that now. How to do some rough sketches. And perspective, so that we did learn also in class. So that's a 1-point perspective. And this would be the 2-point perspective. That was that drawing, you know, with the buildings that I had shown. This is the 3-point perspective. We didn't do any 3-point perspective. Okay, and then just some cartoon basics. Okay, so that's what was in this package. And hey, for $5 or so, it's really good. How to draw and what it came with. Oh, actually the eraser. And there's also an eraser. So there's an eraser. Then all these pencils, which are good. You know, the 6B and the 4B are really good. The sketching pencil, the charcoal, the graphite, the tortillons to smudge. So these are all good. A really good beginner set, I would say. And the pencil sharpener, and then it's a nice size drawing pad, but I've got sketchbooks as well, and the booklet, and then this looks like a little quick cheat sheet type of thing. So I will be using this, and as I do my drawings, maybe I'll show you what I come up with. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.